Welcome to create effective user stories step by step. In the next few minutes, we will master the art of writing user stories that are clear, valuable, and ready for development. This is practical knowledge condensed from the full Udemy course. Let us begin. We start by understanding the structure and essential elements that make a user story truly effective. Every well-crafted user story relies on a set of core concepts that ensure clarity and shared understanding across the team. This simple template forces us to think about who needs the feature, what they need, and why it matters. Acceptance criteria remove ambiguity by defining exactly what done looks like for every story. The INVEST acronym gives us a quality checklist to evaluate whether a story is ready for development. A clear definition of ready prevents half-baked stories from entering development and causing delays. Now let us explore the techniques that transform basic requirements into well-structured, actionable user stories. The INVEST framework is our primary tool for evaluating whether a user story is truly ready for the team to work on. Independent stories let us prioritize and deliver value in any order without creating bottlenecks. Stories are not contracts. They are starting points for collaboration between the team and stakeholders. Every story must answer the question, what value does this deliver to someone who matters? If a story cannot be estimated, it usually means we need to break it down or gather more information. Small stories reduce risk and give us frequent opportunities to deliver and get feedback. Testable stories ensure that everyone agrees on what success looks like before work begins. Large stories need to be split into smaller, deliverable pieces. Here are the most effective splitting techniques we can use. Splitting by workflow steps lets us deliver incremental functionality that users can start benefiting from immediately. Each business rule becomes its own story, making estimation more accurate and testing more focused. Handling one data type at a time reduces complexity and lets us learn from each implementation. Role-based splitting ensures we deliver complete value for one audience before expanding to others. The difference between a good and poor user story often determines whether development goes smoothly or stalls with confusion. Poor stories lead to misunderstandings, rework, and frustrated developers who are unsure what to build. Good stories align the entire team around a shared understanding and enable confident, efficient delivery. A well-managed backlog is the foundation of successful Agile delivery. These practices keep our backlog healthy and actionable. Regular refinement ensures stories are ready when the team needs them, preventing sprint planning bottlenecks. Story maps give us a big-picture view that helps us prioritize the most valuable user paths first. Collaborative estimation surfaces different perspectives and improves accuracy through team discussion. A lean backlog is easier to manage and keeps the team focused on what truly matters to users. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of effective user story creation. The user story template keeps us focused on delivering value to real people, not just building features. INVEST is our quality gate that prevents problematic stories from entering the sprint and causing delays. Effective splitting is a skill that directly improves estimation accuracy and delivery predictability. Backlog health is a leading indicator of team velocity and overall Agile maturity. If this preview was helpful, the full Udemy course goes much deeper with templates, real-world examples, and hands-on exercises for every technique. Enroll today and start writing user stories that your team will love. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, keep your stories small, valuable, and testable.